The principle is simple. Would you fall in love with yourself? Because if not yet, here are 8 things that helped me to start building the solo life I desired when I was a child. These can help you too. So grab your favorite snack, get cozy, and let's dive right in. All right, let's start with the basics, your cozy own space. Whether you're chilling in a spacious apartment or cozying up in a tiny studio, make it yours. Deck it out with all the things that bring you joy. From fuzzy blankets that feel like a hug from a cloud to quirky wall art that makes you smile. This is your sanctuary, your kingdom, your happy place. So, embrace those solo vibes and make it feel like home sweet home. Next up, meet your trusty companion. Whether it's lacing up your sneakers for a morning run or grabbing your jump rope for a quick workout, having a sport routine as your loyal companion makes solo living so much sweeter. Exercise not only boosts your mood and energy levels, but also helps you stay fit and healthy. So, break a sweat, get those endorphins flowing, and thank your sport routine for being the ultimate sidekick in your solo adventure. Now, let's talk about the ultimate mood booster, your kick-ass playlist. Whether you're feeling down in the dumps or ready to conquer the world, a killer playlist can instantly lift your spirits and get you grooving. So, crank up the volume, bust out your best dance moves, and let the music take you to your happy place. Hey, if you like this video so far, subscribe for more epic solo tips. Ah, the delicious snack stash, the unsung hero of solo living. Whether it's a bag of crunchy chips, a tub of creamy ice cream, or a box of decadent chocolates, having your favorite snacks on hand is an absolute must. They're there to satisfy your cravings, comfort you during Netflix marathons, and make those late-night munchies oh so satisfying. So stock up on your faves and snack away. Now, let's pamper ourselves with a self-care sanctuary. Whether it's a luxurious bubble bath, a rejuvenating face mask, or a cozy robe that feels like a warm hug, creating a self-care sanctuary is essential for keeping your mind, body, and soul happy and healthy. So, take some time out of your busy day to indulge in a little TLC. You deserve it. Ah, there's nothing quite like an inspiring reading nook to feed your soul. Whether it's a cozy corner filled with books, a comfy armchair bathed in sunlight, or a beanbag nestled in a quiet corner, having a dedicated space for reading and reflection is a game changer. So, grab your favorite book, snuggle up with a warm blanket, and let the words transport you to far-off lands and magical adventures. All right, let's get those creative juices flowing with a killer creative outlet. Whether it's painting, writing, playing an instrument, or dancing like nobody's watching, having a creative hobby is essential for keeping your mind sharp and your soul happy. So, unleash your inner artist, express yourself fearlessly, and let your creativity run wild. Last but certainly not least, shout out to my supportive solo squad. Whether it's your ride or die BFFs, your virtual cheerleaders on social media, or your fellow solo adventurers on YouTube, having a supportive community by your side makes all the difference. They're there to lift you up, cheer you on, and remind you that you're never alone in this crazy journey called life. So, give them a virtual high five, send them some love, and thank them for being the badass solo squad that they are. And there you have it, the 8 things I simply can't live without.